text, email, chat, Zoom. Digital communication is part of everyday life, but how you communicate online matters just as much as what you say. Why etiquette matters: without body language or tone, your words can easily be misunderstood. Good digital etiquette helps you sound clear, respectful, and professional. Rule 1. Think before you type. Pause and read your message before sending. Is it polite, clear, free from sarcasm or confusion? Rule 2. Use proper greetings and sign-offs in emails. Start with hi or dear, not just hey. End with regards or thanks, not just your name. Rule 3. Don't type in all caps equals shouting. Use normal case unless you really mean to emphasize something. Rule 4. Be mindful of time, Dan. Expect instant replies at night or on weekends. Be patient, especially in professional settings. Rule 5. Keep messages brief and to the point. Digital space is fast-paced. Long paragraphs equals skipped messages. Use short sentences, bullet points if needed. Rule 6. Emojis and slang. Context matters and are fine with friends, but in formal chats, skip the emojis unless you're sure it's okay. Closing: whether you're sending a quick DM or writing a formal email, digital communication etiquette builds trust, respect, and clarity.